A lot of we optometrists are not used to using staff in this exam room. And here's what we do. We examine the patient about a third of the time. We write about a third of the time, and we talk about a third of the time. So when you are writing, when you're typing, you are working really at your tech salary. So how would you like to work at your salary the whole time instead of at your tech salary? Well, let's talk about using a scribe. Let's try to save our patients time. Time is really important to our patients now. It used to be that they would want a 45-minute or an hour exam, and now the quicker the exam for the patient and have a same experience is really the most beneficial. So when we are doing our own exam, I'm going to pretend like I am my own tech right now, and I'm making tech dollars here. So instead, I sit here, and my scribe is standing right here. So this makes a lot of sense. Now my patient is right over here. Now there's no patient there now, but you can imagine it. So I am face to face with the patient. My scribe is documenting everything I'm saying, as well as documenting all the findings in the chart. This allows me to have a much better experience with the patient. They just feel like we're chit-chatting while I'm taking an extensive history and then doing the exam. So this effort is really orchestrated. When you go to a fine dining restaurant and I'm in there in a dark suit, a good restaurant will take that white napkin, replace it with a dark napkin. Someone follows in with water, and maybe someone else follows in with a biscuit. So the experience has to be really good, and they've orchestrated this. So when I'm examining a patient, patients don't notice this, but we've got it orchestrated. The tech turns off the light when I'm at the slit lamp. When I go away, they turn it on. They hand me the 78 diopter lens, and it's just like efficient. It's very efficient, and the patient notices that we are getting a lot done in a shorter period of time. So if you want to work like a tech and be paid like a tech, do the whole exam yourself. If you want to work like a doctor, spend only 2/3 of the time as a doctor and let the tech be the documenter and the person who is taking care of all of your needs as well as the patient needs in the preliminary part of the exam. Now, I know a lot of you are going to think, I don't have the money to have a scribe, and I just don't have the place for it. It's not going to work for me, because I hear that all in meetings. Everybody says the same thing, and yes, but not for me. But it is for you, because if you could save a third of your time doing exams, it means you can get more patients in the same day. And that means that you are going to be more productive. Your patients are going to have a nicer experience. And look at 5-star reviews are not bad. So let's just do this. Let's promise yourself, if you don't have a scribe, in the next 3 months, you're going to have your tech be your scribe, and you're going to actually train your scribe by saying, this is what I would like you to do when I'm doing the exam. You can rehearse all of this, and if you have plenty of time, you're going to make better use of it by seeing more patients and be more profitable.